Is this new S26 Ultra case from Tongate going to be worth it for your new phone? Let's find out. Starting off on the top though, you do have a full lens protector piece that does clip in. So you can actually flip that out. You got your whole lens area there, but you can also lock that in so you can fully protect your lenses when you're not using your phone. And if you wanted to, you can also use this as a phone stand as well. You can get horizontal viewing there. As far as the back side, going to be great for shock absorption, super rugged and hard back, so going to absorb that shock if you do drop it. When it comes to screen protection, you do have a nice bezel, so the actual phone case does rise over the screen a little bit. The case does have a MagSafe ring on the back too, so going to be compatible with all of your MagSafe accessories or wireless charging as well. And that ring also does flip out into a kickstand, which does go all the way down 180, so you can get some pretty tight angles there, but you'll be able to get your vertical viewing there or your horizontal viewing too. Overall though, I think this would be a great case for the S26 Ultra. Really convenient too. You know, you've got the full-on lens protector and also MagSafe compatible with everything. So yeah, I think this would be a great daily case, but also a very protective case too.